This is a small demo of the rear dashcam that I've installed in my EcoSport. The model of the dashcam is 70x1S, which is a small and compact dashcam without a display. So this is the rear cigarette lighter socket from where I'm drawing the power for the dashcam using one of the USB ports, and I have used these clips for organizing the cables, and the cable runs along the C-pillar of the car. I've used one more clip here, and again there's one more clip towards the back. I could have taken this cable from inside of this beading to conceal it, but the length was falling short, so I just used it over here itself. So let's go back and see. Again, coming to the back, we can see that the cable is running along this C-pillar, and then I have tried to put it inside this beading to conceal it, and it runs along this beading of the rear boot door and all the way till here, and from here again I've pulled it out and I have organized the small clip to hold it in place, and then the cable goes here, and there's one more clip here, and then again I have concealed it behind this beading, and there's one more clip here which is the final clip, and it connects to the dash cam. So the cable here is a little bit left free so that it will help while opening or closing the boot door. So let's see that action. So as you can see, while closing, it doesn't get jammed or anything, or it doesn't get stuck or anything. So I'm able to close it, and this is how it looks from the back. So let's go ahead and open it again. This is the dash cam, and this is the overall routing. Thanks a lot for watching.